Once upon a time, in a land of wonder and magic, there existed a legendary place known as the Enchanted Labyrinth. This mystical maze was said to hold unimaginable treasures, granting the desires of those who dared to venture within. However, many had tried and failed to conquer its intricate paths and shifting walls. Our story begins with a young and brave adventurer named Amelia. With a heart full of determination and a thirst for adventure, Amelia set out to conquer the Enchanted Labyrinth, hoping to find a fabled artifact that could save her village from an imminent threat. Armed with only a compass and her unwavering spirit, she entered the labyrinth's grand entrance. Inside, Amelia encountered a mesmerizing world filled with vibrant colors, whispering winds, and creatures both friendly and fearsome. Each turn of the labyrinth presented her with riddles to solve, obstacles to overcome, and moral dilemmas to navigate. Along the way, she formed unlikely alliances with a wise old owl named Oliver, who served as her guide, and a mischievous sprite named Luna, who brought a touch of mischief to her journey. As Amelia delved deeper into the labyrinth, she discovered that the true magic of this place lay not in its treasures, but in the lessons it taught. Each challenge she faced unveiled a piece of her own character, testing her courage, wit, and compassion. She learned to trust her instincts, think creatively, and embrace the unknown with an open heart. The labyrinth seemed to have a mind of its own, shifting and rearranging its paths to challenge Amelia's resolve, but she refused to give up. With every setback, she grew stronger and more determined, refusing to let fear or doubt overshadow her purpose. Along the way, she encountered other lost souls who had been ensnared by the labyrinth's enchantment. With empathy and kindness, she offered them hope and guidance, reminding them that they possessed the strength to overcome any obstacle. Finally, after countless trials and tribulations, Amelia stood before the heart of the Enchanted Labyrinth. A hidden chamber bathed in a soft, ethereal light. In the center, she found the artifact she had sought, a magical crystal that held the power to restore balance and harmony to her village. But as she reached out to claim it, a voice echoed through the chamber, warning her of the consequences that lay in wielding such power without wisdom. Amelia paused, reflecting on the lessons she had learned throughout her arduous journey. She realized that the true power of the Enchanted Labyrinth was not in the treasures it held, but in the transformative journey it had taken her on. With great humility, she made the selfless choice to leave the artifact behind, knowing that her village needed more than a quick fix. Returning to her village, Amelia shared the wisdom she had gained, inspiring her fellow villagers to work together, persevere, and face their challenges head-on. As they united their strengths and talents, they overcame the impending threat, bringing prosperity and joy back to their lives. From that day forward, the legend of Amelia and the Enchanted Labyrinth spread far and wide. People marveled at her bravery, her resilience, and the profound impact her journey had on those around her. The labyrinth itself became a symbol of personal growth, reminding all who heard the tale that the greatest treasures in life are often found not in what we acquire, but in the person we become along the way. And so, the Enchanted Labyrinth stood as a testament to the power of the human spirit and the limitless possibilities that lie within each of us, waiting to be discovered through the trials and triumphs of our own unique journeys. And so, Amelia's story came to a close, but the legend of the Enchanted Labyrinth continued to inspire generations to come. People from all walks of life were drawn to its mystical allure, seeking not just treasure, but the profound transformation that awaited them within its walls. As time passed, the Enchanted Labyrinth became a place of pilgrimage for those in need of guidance, solace, or self-discovery. It remained an ever-changing realm, adapting to the needs and desires of those who entered, challenging them to confront their fears, embrace their strengths, and uncover the hidden depths of their souls. Amelia's legacy lived on as tales were told and retold, spreading hope and reminding others of the boundless potential within themselves. The Enchanted Labyrinth became a symbol of the eternal journey of self-discovery, reminding all who ventured within its confines that the true treasure lies not in the destination, but in the transformative power of the path itself. And so, the Enchanted Labyrinth continued to weave its enchantment, beckoning new adventurers with its mysteries and promising them the opportunity to unearth the greatest treasure of all, their own true selves.